Hey everyone, welcome back to another Merly on Time. Today I have a quick unboxing for you, a watch that I'll do a full review on this coming weekend. This is my Grail watch. The review is going to be called Grail Look Micro Brand Price. I've been looking for a watch that is a homage to this Grail, and I'm not going to tell you what the Grail is. A lot of you are going to know as soon as you see it. But I want you to leave a guess in the comments once you do see it, what this is a grail of. If I had the money and if I could bring myself to spend thousands of dollars on a watch, which I don't know even if I had the money, if I could bring myself to spend that much on a watch, this would be the watch that I would get. It's a chronograph. My favorite kind of watch is a chronograph. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you that. If you haven't yet done so, please hit subscribe. I'm going to be giving a watch away, maybe a couple watches away at 150 subscribers. I'll show that watch again on this video. I did show it on my last video of the Islander ISL 19 review that I just dropped. And since I dropped that video, I picked up 5 new subscribers. So thanks so much, guys, for doing that, whoever subscribed. And if you haven't done so already, please hit subscribe. Please comment on this video, like the video. Let me know what you think of this watch. Honestly, I'm very happy with the look of this watch, but there are a couple of things that just kind of disappointed me about it as well. It wasn't an overly cheap watch, but it wasn't overly expensive either. So I am happy overall with it. And so let's just have a look at that now. Thanks so much for the support, guys. Appreciate you supporting the channel. I'll show you this watch now, and then I'll do a full review later on this weekend. Okay, so you can see that we have got Sturhling original. This is the Monaco 42 millimeter quartz black dial chronograph. I have one other Sturhling original that I think is a pretty decent watch. I gotta say that the Sturhling packaging is quite nice. Just a cardboard cover here, but it's a nice gloss feel to it, and the box itself really solid. The other Sturhling watch that I got came in a bit of a bigger box. This watch is laid flat out, which is why it's a little bit longer and narrower thickness wise, but very nice packaging. And yeah, there it is, guys. So in the box, of course, you get your little cleaning cloth, little information card from Sturhling, and little instruction book, warranty card. But this is it. This is the watch. I really am digging the dial on this one. So a lot of you know already what this is a homage to. Homage or homage? I'm not sure quite how to pronounce that, but a lot of you are going to know exactly what this is. And I just think, boy, it's absolutely beautiful looking piece, and really excited to get this one. And so yeah, that's it, guys. The Sturhling, it came on this stainless steel mesh bracelet, two-toned. I'm going to be replacing the bracelet and get a nice black leather band bracelet with some white stitching, I think, down the side. And if you have some bracelet ideas, if you're watching this and you go, hey, I know a bracelet that would look great on that. I like this bracelet, don't get me wrong. Not overly excited about the two-tone. I wish it was all black or all, anyway. But I like the bracelet enough. I think it's okay. But if you got any bracelet suggestions for this baby, do let me know. So this is it, Sturhling original. You can see the dials there. 24-hour complication at the 3 o'clock, your 60-second complication at the 6 o'clock, and your 60-minute complication for the chronograph timer at the 9 o'clock. Very, very, very nice looking piece. I love the look. I mean, that's why I got this watch. And it is an exact look, almost, of a Grail watch that I would love to have if I could force myself to get some thousands of dollars to spend on it. Anyway, show you the picture of the case back there as well. Water resistance on this, I believe, is 50 meters, 5 ATM. So at any rate, that's it, guys. Full review dropping this weekend. Let me show you real quick once again the giveaway watch, at least one of the watches. I'm probably going to give away a couple. And this is going to be at 150 subscribers. I got this off of the Watch Gang wheel spin. There was a deal wheel that they had a few weeks back, and this is a 3 leagues. It's a quartz diver. I can't remember. I think it's probably, let's just see, it does say on the dial there, 50 meters of water resistance, 5 ATM. 60 click unidirectional bezel. This is a really decent watch. It does have a great leather band on it. You know, for the price point, the leather band is actually quite nice. So that'll be at 150 subscribers. So please make sure that you like, comment, but definitely subscribe. And once I get to 150, I'll be giving away this watch and be doing a video on how that giveaway will work. So thanks, guys, for checking it out. And this weekend we'll be dropping a review on this watch. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. It's a homage, potato. Let me know what you think it's a homage to. I'm sure a lot of you know. And we'll talk about this one on the weekend, and we will see you then. Take care. God bless.